Todoist, simple but mighty. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you would like to check it out, then you can do so anytime from the description below. Let's start by what Todoist is. It's a simple and intuitive to-do app that can help us to manage daily tasks. And it does that in a very beautiful manner. There is an app and extension for all the platforms, so you can access it from any device. Once you pull out the app, you will notice a sidebar that has your inbox and all your projects. You can also see your today's task here as well. You can create multiple projects depending on your requirement. Right now I have my work and home. On the top right corner you will see karma. This is a sweet way to give points for completing tasks. It's just a simple thing but helping motivating. When you make a task, you can create tasks and subtasks, set due dates, priorities, and then even assign tasks to other team members if you are working on a group project. Todoist also offer location-based reminders, which means that you can get reminder when you arrive or leave a certain location. This feature is great for tasks like grocery shopping or picking up your package. One of the things that sets Todoist apart is the ease of use. This app is very simple, intuitive, and you can easily create and manage tasks from the app's main screen. One of the things that sets Todoist apart is its ease of use. The app is very simple, intuitive, and you can easily create and manage tasks from the app's main screen. Todoist also offers keyboard shortcuts which can help you save time and navigate the app more quickly. Additionally, its design is clean and uncluttered, which makes it easy to focus on your tasks without distractions. Now, who is it for? Now, if you ask me who is it for, then I can confidently say that it is so versatile that someone like my mother can use it, and even a full-time HR manager who has to manage so many things. It is that versatile. Talking about the pricing, it does has a free plan, which is enough if you don't have many active projects. But if you do have, then you can go with Pro plan, which is just $4 per month billed annually. They also have a team plan which has even more active projects and some additional perks. So if you are interested in that, then you can get started from the description below. In conclusion, Todoist is a powerful and flexible task management app that offers a variety of features to help us stay organized and on top of our to-do list. The app is easy to use and offers both free and paid plan, making it accessible to users with different needs and budgets. If you are looking for a task management app that can help you stay organized and productive, Todoist is definitely worth considering. Now you could watch my latest note-taking apps from here, and you can also watch my recent video from here. That's it for today. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.